How do you make sure that you have a nice, pretty, custom URL for your LinkedIn profile? I'm going to show you how in this video. I am currently on my profile now. The first thing you can see up in the URL is I have a custom URL so that my URL is linkedin.com/in/Rachel has the mic. That's my handle everywhere. You may have in mind something you want for your own profile. Now it's very easy to change this. If you are not already on your profile, let's say that you're just on your home feed of LinkedIn and you're like, how do I get to my profile? You can either click on your name here to get your profile or click on your me up here and you can say view profile. Either one will take you to your profile. Once you're at your profile, you should notice that you see a bunch of pencil icons all across the screen and across your page, but I'm going to take you to this one that says public profile and URL. So you're going to click on that pencil icon. Now that's going to take you in a swath of editing features for your profile, but what we want to focus on right there in the top right, personalize the URL for your profile. So if I want to change my profile, and if you have the one that was issued to you by LinkedIn when you first signed up, likelihood is it has maybe your first dash last name dash a bunch of numbers and alphanumeric characters. You don't want that. You want custom. So you can click the pencil icon and you can change this to whatever you might want. Now, I could have changed mine to Rachel Moore. However, it's probably going to tell me that one's taken because there are tons of Rachel Moores out there, but you could add something that's a bit unique to yourself. Again, my handle is Rachel has the mic because you can pick whatever you like, but you can choose whatever you like. And once you select that and hit save, if it is taken, it'll give you an alert and you might have to come up with something different. If it's not, that's going to be your new profile, and that will be the URL you can use and share around to everyone so they know exactly who you are. This is very handy from a branding standpoint as well. So I highly encourage everyone to please go customize your URL on LinkedIn if you haven't already. You can change it frequently as well if your needs change, but do go customize it. It's part of your personal branding and something you can do on LinkedIn pretty easily. If you found this video helpful, please like it. If you really found it helpful, please subscribe and tell your friends and family and peers and colleagues and all that you found this video to be helpful and share it around. Thanks so much, and we'll see you soon in another video from But Wait, There's More.